Today, I'll be showing Spider Element's cheat sheet widget, which will help you organize information nicely. Check out this demo and learn how to use it. Let's begin. Find the cheat sheet widget and drag and drop it to the desired location on your page. Here you can see 3 types of preset skin style, which look very nice and attractive. You can see more options by going to the cheat sheet option. You can turn the accordion on and off with the Show Accordion button. You can enter and change the name as per your choice and title. The name will automatically change on the page as you type. If you want to expand the cheat sheet list option, click the icon shown on the right side. Now you can see that your cheat sheet list items have increased. Again, you can add a cheat sheet item by clicking the Add Item button below. You can keep cheat sheets according to 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns with column option. Suppose now we will customize preset skin style too. You can change the title and content of cheat sheet list as per your wish. We will now see how to put images in the list. Go to the cheat sheet list option and click on Choose Image. After that, click on the picture and click on the Select button. The list is now displaying images. From here you can change title color, and number background. These can be used in any style as given below. When you increase the cheat sheet list, you don't have to enter the number again and again. It will be auto number count. You can change the background color of cheat sheet items from the style options, all of which will change very nicely together. You can select the border type from sheet items, where different styles of borders are available. Also, you can make the corners of the border more attractive by setting the border radius. It is possible to create beautiful designs using box shadow, which will make your presentation more beautiful and professional. The function of grid gap is to create gaps between cells or columns in a grid layout. You can easily change the text color of the accordion title from the Contents option. Besides, it is possible to change the color of the title as well as the description text. From Cheat Sheet Number option, you can customize typography, color, circle color, background color, and circle shadow.